Welcome back. In this video we will discuss about HMI function key. In earlier video we have told that there are three types of HMI panel. One is called KP panel. That panel has some function key to operate the HMI. Second one is KTP panel. KTP panel has some function key as well as the trust function to operate the HMI. And last one is the trust panel. Trust panel has no function key. Today we will discuss about that KP panel and KTP panel that has function key. In this project I have used KTP 700 basic panel, and that basic panel has function key. Here I have opened a skin. From that skin we can see there are 8 function key from F1 to F8. That function key can be used as a skin change from one skin to another, and also can be used for binary operation as like the button from the element. Okay, first we will use the function key to change the skin from one skin to another. Okay, suppose this skin is a home skin. We want to change the skin home skin to alarm skin. So just drag and drop the home skin from here to the function key. If you use the function key F7 to just drag and drop, here yellow mark on the function key means that home skin, that function key only used in that skin. If you go to alarm buffer skin, see here F7 has no yellow mark. That means that F7 in that skin is unused. So just simulate and check how it is work. Okay, this one is a home skin. If you press the alarm button here, the skin is changed to alarm skin. Okay, go back to home skin again. Now if you click the F7, the home skin is changed. If you go to the buffer page, see this is a historical alarm page, historical alarm skin. If you click the F7, this is nothing happen. That means F7 is used only the home skin here. If you want to the function key in all page, all skin, then you can use in template here. Okay, from template just drag and drop the alarm skin to that F7. Here you can see that light blue mark means that F7 is used in the template. So wherever you used that template in other skin, that F7 will change to the alarm page. Okay, now again simulate the HMI. See, okay, now this is the alarm page. Going back to the home skin. Okay, if you click the home skin, see it is changed to home skin. If you go to the buffer page, okay, from that buffer page if you click the F7, see it is going back to the alarm page. So from the template you can use the function key for globally used. Also you can use the global skin from here to use the function key to for all skin. Today we will not discuss about the global skin today. Okay, secondly, here from here you can see there are color. One is light green, light blue, another is yellow. That means that skin that function key has two function used here, and both are used for change the alarm skin. Now I have select that F1 key and press the delete button from the keyboard, and that one is deleted. Okay. Second way to change the skin by function key, that if you want to change the home skin by F1, so go back to the template, because we want to use that function key from all skin to change the home skin. Okay, just select the F1 key and click the properties below here. From here you can see that press key and release key is now gray, it cannot change. So go back to the properties here. From the general, you just untick it and going back to the event. Now see, you can use the function. You can use the function here. Okay, from that function I want to use that active skin, like here, home skin. Okay, so again save and simulate the HMI. Okay, now it is the home skin. Going back to the alarm. Okay, now again if I press the F1 key, it's changing the skin to home skin. If you going to the buffer phase, then if you click the F1 key, it also change the home skin. So you can use the function key by two ways, just drag and drop, and also you can change from the properties. Now if you want to use the function key for binary operation, like if you want to command a motor to start, then how we can do it? Suppose from that home skin you want to start a motor, so just by F2 key I want to use that binary operation. Just click the F2 key, go to properties, and from properties you have to deselect that assignment as use local template. Now from here add edit bit. So from edit bit, if you want to use that set bit here, from the HMI start, I want to use that start here, and when I will release that key, it will reset that bit. Okay, now simulate the HMI. Okay, now also I will go to the PLC program in HMI. Okay, in DOL, that in HMI start here, if I go to online of that function. Okay, now from here start, if we click that, here you can see that it is now green. Or also you can go to the HMI here, monitor. If I click the start button, you can see it is now true. Also if I click the, it is true also. It is true. If I release it, it is false. If I click true, so by this way you can use the function key for changing the skin, as well as for any binary operation you can use that function key. Also some other function you can do by the function key, like it is a button from the element. Thank you.